A nice national cash register, model 144. It's cast iron construction, possibly a nickel plate. It does have some wear. It's from 1905, so there is some rubbing and loss of the finish in some areas. Overall, very presentable machine, clean, in good condition. Working condition. Check out the pictures for more up close details. It's a pretty high-end machine. It does have the counters for both the counts that every time that this lid is open, as well as the reset number does work here. You can reset here as well. The machine does work. Drawer opens. All the appropriate flags do work on the machine. Newer glass. I'll include the old glass. Every key does work. This is a model 144, serial number 431548. Does date it to approximately 1905. Patent dates up to 1896 on the machine itself. Does have the partial label for the owner underneath. It's like a sale in Pennsylvania. Thanks for looking at this machine. Check out the pictures for more up close details. It's very cool national cash register. Model 144 for local pickup only in the Maryland, Baltimore County area. I can help with delivery within 100 miles. Thanks for looking.